Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how the app Daily Dozen works. In Dr. Michael Greger's most recent book, How Not to Die and How Not to Die cookbook, he offers some great and very simple suggestions for a healthy, balanced, plant-based diet. As part of this, he also created the Daily Dozen, which comes with this Daily Dozen app, which is a list of essential plant foods that you should eat and try eating every day for an optimum health and well-being lifestyle. So I'm gonna show you the app now. Here is your main menu. You've got your servings. You've got your latest videos where you can find Dr. Greger's latest videos. Oops. Let me just go back. You've got the How Not to Die cookbook and book descriptions. You've got the donate button, the subscribe, and the daily reminder. You can play the sound here to remind you every day. Now I'm going back to the servings, and this is your today's servings. As you can see, I didn't hit any of the servings for today. You're supposed to have up to 24 servings, and if you click here, you have your history. You can see how well I did or not that well in some days. For example, here I on the 8th of December I hit just 18 points, but on the 10th and 11th I hit 24 points. So you have your servings here. For example, if I click beans, if I click the I, which stands for information, you've got all of the information about the servings, and you have the metric unit or the imperial unit. So you need to have 1/4 cups of hummus or bean dip, or 1/2 cup cooked beans or split peas or lentils, or 1 cup of fresh peas or sprouted lentils. That's a serving, yeah? And here you have lots of types of beans that Dr. Greger recommends. Some of them with videos, some of them just linked to some recent of his articles. So you need to have 3 servings of beans every day. Berries, 60 grams of fresh or frozen, or 40 grams dried. Again, all the berries that he recommends. Other fruit, if you click here, you can see the dates that are colored in yellow are the dates when I ate some of the servings, and the dates that are colored in dark yellow, almost brown, are the dates when I hit all the servings. So I'm doing pretty well when it comes to fruit. And then, so he recommends 3 servings of fruit every day, 1 serving of cruciferous vegetables, 2 servings of greens, 2 servings of other vegetables, 1 serving of flaxseed, and that equals to 1 tablespoon of ground brown or golden flaxseed, a serving of nuts, which is 30 grams of nuts or seeds, or 2 tablespoons of nuts or seed butter. Spices. If you know Dr. Greger, you know that he recommends the use of turmeric as your spice in your food. So he recommends 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric or any other salt-free herbs and spices that you enjoy. Whole grains, you have your choices here. Beverages, he recommends water and tea, like black tea or green tea. Yeah, hibiscus tea is really good. It's one of the most powerful antioxidants on earth, according to his studies. Exercise, 90 minutes of moderate intensity activity or 40 minutes of vigorous intensity activity. Vitamin B12 and vitamin D.